Most traders fail because they don't have a clear system. But today I'm going to be sharing the exact tool I use to trade with confidence. And the best part, guys, you can get access to this tool, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it. So this is the 7G VIP XR indicator, and it works by identifying the strong support and resistance zone in the market. Whenever a white circle appears, I simply buy, and whenever a pink circle appears, I sell. And the result is insane accurate, guys. This is the result of me making use of this indicator, guys. Now, how do you use this? Notice I'm on 1 hour time frame. There are two ways you can trade with this tool. You can trade with it manually. You enter trades when the scanner gives a signal. So when the pink shows up, I take a sell. When the white shows up, I take a buy. Or you can trade it automatically, making use of the 7G trading robot execution. Now that robot trades for you. So when you see the pink, you set the robot to sell only. The robot is going to sell. You see the white, set the robot to buy only, and it's going to buy. Now, guys, here's the real deal. I'm not just giving you access to this tool. I'll also show you step by step how I use this tool. Guys, you can check lower time frame, 30 minutes, this 1 hour time frame. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use this inside the 7G trading community. So comment 7G if you want to join the community, or click the link in the description of this video, guys. This is a game changer.